How to download apps on HP laptop. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now type Microsoft Store in the search bar and open it. The Microsoft Store is the official app store for Windows laptops, where you can safely download apps and games. Some apps are completely free, while some premium apps may require payment. Once the Microsoft Store opens, you can either browse apps from the home screen or use the search box at the top. For example, if you want to install CapCut, simply type CapCut in the search bar and press Enter. Now click on the application you want to download. After that, click on the Install or Get button. Windows will automatically start downloading and installing the app on your HP laptop. The installation may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the app is installed, click on the Start menu again and search for the app name. Now simply click on it to open and start using the application. And that's it. This is the easiest way to download and install apps on an HP laptop using Microsoft Store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.